Welcome, bulldoggers, fanciers, and dogmen, to Big Stretch TVG. No dogs raised, sold, or bred for any legal purposes. It's strictly for historical, entertainment, and educational purposes only. We got a great show today, bulldoggers. I want to thank everyone for watching, subscribing, for liking, for your comments. Thank you. But I want to give a shout out to that Bubba Max, kicking some real knowledge about these bulldogs. There's a few shows out that's really on a real positive tip when it comes to this breed. I tell you, Big Stretch try to stay away from the controversy. Try to stay away from the confusion. Because the devil thrive in confusion, bulldoggers. Let's start the Dirty Bird Show. Okay, bulldoggers. Yes, you all are wrong. Stretch said it. All of you wrong. You forgot about one thing. Know what that is? It's all about the dog. The dog. It ain't about your pride. It ain't about your jealousy. It ain't about your greed. Yep. Negative people. Now, I understand, bulldoggers, that everybody ain't into these dogs for the same reason. That's just me being a thinking person, a person of understanding that realize everybody needs dogs. Don't think the same, don't act the same, and ain't never gonna be the same, bulldoggers. Basically, bulldoggers is like this. You have the old generation and the way they're thinking, and you got the new generation, the way they think. Now, check out this picture in history. See the old generation? See the new generation? That's how it is, bulldoggers. You see, bulldoggers, the old generation didn't have the enemies that the breed or the new generation has today, bulldoggers. There's a lot going against the new generation that the old generation they have to deal with. You see, bulldoggers, this YouTube community has really got some good folk up here. It's probably misunderstood in a lot of different ways. I say it like that, bulldoggers. But we all should be supporting one another. And the common goal will be the American Pit Bull Terrier. Bulldoggers, you see this word, competition? Yeah, that right there was a good thing and a bad thing. Bulldoggers. What are you talking about, Stretch? Competition. Competition. That's why we can't come together. You see, Bulldoggers, you got good dog men, old timers, and you got bad dog men, old timers. Then you got good new generation dog men, and you have bad new generation dog men, Bulldoggers. What are you talking about, Stretch? It was bad back then, and it's bad now, dealing with certain folk, Bulldoggers. Now let's really kick the reel. See? Let's really kick the reel on this right here now. Dirty Bird Comedy. There it is. Dirty Bird Comedy. I got one for you, Bulldoggers. You see all them alleged dog fighting rings? Now, I mean alleged now. The majority of those folks didn't get busted for fighting no dog. It was other factors and reasons behind that, Bulldoggers. It's just the fact of them having an American Pit Bull Terrier that they wanted to say dog fighting ring or dog fighting bus or whatever you want to call it in certain cases, Bulldoggers. Dirty Bird Comedy. Why do certain dog men in history use rubs? They had a cur and they were scared. And they wanted to win that money. Lil Rock brung it out best in his interview with 7-8 Sports. Here it is, Bulldoggers. Just a little snippet about the rub.
Those guys really cheated, and McNasty was a cheat. And I don't care who take it the wrong way. I knew Nasty well. You know, we were friends. But McNasty was a cheat. You know, he rubbed going against my good friend.
Now that, Bulldoggers, was dirty. One thing about the game, Bulldoggers, and the truth. The truth hurts, Bulldoggers. Yep, the truth hurts. Now, Bulldoggers, history taught us something. It really did, Bulldoggers. The history taught us something. Do not fight, Bulldoggers. Now, Stretch can't tell you what to do. Choice is yours. I'm just saying, Bulldoggers, it just ain't worth it. Bulldoggers, we have to stop worried about what people think about us, Bulldoggers. Yeah, I'm going to give you an example of what I'm talking about, Bulldoggers. Just say Dogman Ted. Dogman Ted is a YouTuber. Been on YouTube for, just say, 15 years. Showing us his good dogs, giving us great dog knowledge. And Ted goes somewhere he don't supposed to be. Gets caught around the wrong folk. Next thing you know, all the dogs that we've grown to love for years, watching them on YouTube, is now on death row. Lord have mercy. Lord have mercy. The dogs Ted loved is on death row behind Ted going somewhere he really wasn't supposed to be. Bulldoggers. It is not worth it. Not at all, Bulldoggers. Ted knows it too, Bulldoggers. You see, Bulldoggers, is one show that I miss. That's that Pro and Game. What? What, Stretch? You miss Pro and Game? Yes, Bulldoggers. Stretch miss Pro and Game. Pro and Game did some amazing things. Really, Bulldoggers. He gave us the Denny Green interview. He brung on J-Bo. He brung on Mike Lomas. Bulldog Brown was really doing a great job, Bulldoggers. He really was.